Array methods are built-in JavaScript function provided by the JavaScript. By using these array methods, we can easily manipulate our array. For example, add new element, edit, delete. Okay, like that we can do multiple things using array methods. Okay, basically array method is a one function. Okay, this function is attached into our arrays. So using that function, we can do anything. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about the basic array methods. Okay, that's push, pop, unshift, and shift. Okay, okay, now get into the video. The first one is called push. So basically the what the push will do is it will add one element at the end of the array. Okay, for example, I am using my friends array. So this is my friends array. Here I am going to add one function. Okay, that function name is called push. So this is my function, push function. So I am added parentheses. So inside the parentheses we can pass the argument. For example, this my in my friends array I have three friends, right? Peter, John, Kevin. So I want to add one more. My friend name is called Bala. Okay, so here I am passing argument as Bala to my push function. This push function is attached into my friends array. Okay, so if I click save, you can see Bala is added at the end of the array. Correct. So this function by defaultly will do at the end of the array. It will push the element. Okay, so it will accept multiple argument. For example, my second friend name is called Raju. Okay, if I click save, you can see Bala and Raju, both friends are added. So it will accept n number of argument. So if you want to add anything at the end of the array means you can use push. Okay, it will not necessarily a string. It can be an object or number, anything. So if you do means it will push that thing at the end of the array. Okay, so for your understanding purpose I am using string only. Okay, so the basically the push will add element element at the end of the array. End of the array. Okay, I hope you understand this push. Okay, the second one is called pop. So pop will remove the last element of the array. Okay, I will show you example. Similarly, I'm calling my friends array. Inside that, I am going to add function. The function name is called pop. So for it's a function, right? So I added parentheses. So if I click save, you can see Peter and John is there, but Kevin is not there. Correct. So it is removed because we are using that pop element. I mean pop function, right? So it will remove the last element of the array. Similarly, it can be an object or string or anything. So it will remove what are the things at the end of the array. Okay. So pop will remove last element. I hope you understand this. MENT. So pop will remove last element. So inside that pop, you no need to pass any argument. Okay. So if you just add a parenthesis means it will remove the last element of the array. Okay, I hope you understand this. So now I comment this code. Now we'll learn about unshift. Okay, this unshift will add element at the beginning of the array. Okay, I will show you an example. Friends dot unshift. So unshift is my function. Okay, function. So here I am going to add one more my friend name. Similar same name I will use Bala. Okay, so if I click save, you can see Bala is added at the beginning. After that, Peter, John, Kevin. Okay, Peter, John, Kevin is here, but beginning of the array, it's added that my new friend name Bala. Okay, so unshift will add the element at the beginning of the array. So it will accept multiple arguments. For example, Bala and Raju. So if I click here, you can see Bala and Raju, both things are added. After that, Peter, John, Kevin is there. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Unshift will add element at the beginning of the array. Beginning of the array. Okay, I comment this. Just understand this, guys. Push will add the element at the end of the array. Unshift will add the element at the beginning of the array. Okay. Now the last one is called shift. So shift will remove the element at the beginning of the array. Okay, so I am calling my friends array. So I am adding my function. My function name is called shift. So this function, so I added a parenthesis. So if I click save, you can see John and Kevin is there. So here the Peter is removed. So John and Kevin's are remaining things. So remaining things are printing here. So so you understand this, I hope, because it's remove the element at the beginning of the array. So remove element at the beginning of the array. So I will, okay, you understand this. I will quickly will recap this video. Okay, so push will add the element at the end of the array. Unshift will add the element at the beginning of the array. Okay, then pop will remove the last element of the array. Shift will remove the first element at the beginning of the array. Okay, I hope understand this. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free to post it in the comments below so I can learn from it. Thank you.